Hey guys, and welcome back. It's been a while since I have sat down and filmed a video, but I wanted to show you guys how I've been doing my makeup lately. It's kind of been my normal makeup routine for those days when I do wear makeup. I haven't been wearing a ton of makeup lately, but on the days when I just want to throw something on, either I'm seeing someone for the first time in a while or I don't know, I just feel like wearing makeup, this is what I've been doing. I'm gonna get back into filming more and posting more on YouTube. I've been really slacking off lately. Hopefully I will be back on track with posting. If not in August, then in the fall. But thank you guys as always for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm just not used to filming anymore because I haven't been filming so much lately, and I don't even know how to do my videos anymore. But I've already done my eyebrows. That's all I have on my face other than some SPF. I am wearing some sunscreen right now. It is 7 p.m. in the evening on a Friday. I'm going to start with priming my skin. So I'm going to use my Milani Soft Focus Glow in the shade Bronze Glow. This has been my go-to primer this summer. Actually, I think in like every summer this is like my primer of choice because it gives me such a nice healthy bronzed glow. It's not too pigmented. I am tanned right now anyway, but it's not like a super noticeable bronze tint. It's just like a slight bronzy glow that it adds to your skin. Then I'm actually going to go in with this highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Highlighter. This is so old. It's been in my collection for a long time, but I've been trying to use it up, and I feel like what better time to use it up than the summer when I can actually like have glowy skin. But basically all I do is like I rub it in with my finger onto my cheekbones and kind of a little bit below, like on this, well, this part, you can see it, on this part of my skin. The shade Light, which is a little bit of a more, like, almost like a pink, kind of like a silvery pink, I guess. But I also drag it upwards to my brow bone. Just kind of give my skin a super glowy look. This works best under foundation or concealer. Like I don't really like it if I apply it on top as like a liquid highlighter, but kind of underneath as a primer, I think it looks really good. I'm just gonna add a little bit to my nose. This can go a little bit, well, this can get a little bit out of hand when I do it on my nose, so I just have to be like super careful that I don't go overboard. I'm not gonna add a ton of concealer. All I'm gonna do is add a little bit. Sometimes I don't even, I just like go around with my skin looking like this, but because I'm on camera and I want to film like 2 more videos today, I'm going to add a little bit of concealer just under my eyes to cover up those dark spots around my mouth and nose area, and then just between my brows. And I think maybe here, because I'm like breaking out a little bit down here. I'm just going to blend this in. I have to go to a wedding tomorrow, and I don't know what I'm going to do with my makeup yet. I'm trying to figure out. I'm probably going to wear very minimal makeup. I'm just not into like a full face right now. Plus it's really hot here. Another heat wave. We had one at the end of June, but we're entering another heat wave, which is pretty unusual for where I am. And I don't want to be like sweating profusely at the wedding and have my makeup like drip off my face. Add some of this, which is the NYX Bare With Me Cheek Tint. One of you had mentioned that this is actually discontinued, which sucks because it's such a good blush. Like it's perfect blush for the summertime because it's got this like cooling sensation. It's such a bright, fun pink. I know this looks like a lot right now, but once I blend it out, it's going to look a bit better. But yeah, someone said that they don't sell these anymore, which kind of sucks. But I did see that NYX has this like new Bare With Me cheek tint. Like it's in more of a jar. And it looks like it's a cream or a jelly blush, so maybe I'll just have to try that next. Blend in this blush all over, and I add a little bit of whatever is left on my chin. I just love this blush. I think it just changes my entire face when I wear this. Now I don't want to go crazy with the powder because obviously I want to keep it as glowy as possible, but I want to take a little bit of my Rimmel powder. I'm going to add a little bit on the center of my forehead and under my eyes, around my mouth and chin area. This is a mattifying powder, this one from Rimmel. It's very mattifying, but that's kind of good in the summer anyways, especially if you need to blot. I feel like a mattifying powder makes a big difference. That is kind of it on the face. Oh, no, it's not. I forgot I was going to add this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil. I love, 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 love this bronzer. It has a little bit of gold glitter in it, but it really makes you look super glowy. It just really adds the most beautiful sun-kissed skin to your look. Oh yeah, I went into the office for the first time this week on yesterday actually, and my coworker thought I looked sun-kissed, and that's probably because I was wearing this bronzer. So I wouldn't actually recommend this spray. I don't actually like it, but I have it, and I don't like wasting product. So this is the Maybelline Glass Spray. It really makes your skin super dewy, like really, really dewy. I did change the nozzle on this because the one it came with was horrible, and it was just horrible to work with. This one, this black nozzle came from their Lasting Fix Setting Spray, which I love, the one in like the pink purpley bottle. I just put that nozzle on this to help with this spray, but I still don't like the spray. Even though I don't like it, it really does make your skin look very, very dewy. So I think if you have dry skin, you might actually like this spray. But I'm just going to let this dry, and then I want to quickly do the eyes. The eyes are really, really simple. For the eyes, I'm going to take this eyeliner from ColourPop, and all the words rubbed off of this, but I'm pretty sure it was called Juniper. It's one of their gel cream liners, and I'm just going to line the upper lid, like really close to the lash line, as well as the lower lash line, but I only go, like my usual way I do eyeliner is I only go about halfway across the eye. So I keep the dark color on the outer half. Then I will take a kind of smaller shading brush. I'm just going to use this palette, but any brown matte shade will work. This is the Estate Cosmetics On Wednesdays palette, and I want to take this darker brown matte. It's actually not that dark, but you don't really need a dark shade because the eyeliner is already like a dark brown. So I just take that matte brown and I use it to help blend in the eyeliner to make it a little bit more smoky and diffused, so it's not as harsh. And honestly, that's like all I do on my eyes these days. You don't even probably need to do this. You could probably just go with mascara if you wanted to, and then that's it. But when I am wearing makeup, this has been my routine. And then I'm going to take the lighter brown shade and a fluffier brush, and I'm just going to take this shade right here. So any matte light brown will work for this. Again, you can skip this step, but I'm just going to take a little bit of this shade and use it to blend everything into my crease. I also just use it on the lower lash line to blend everything down there. If you are wearing colorful lipstick, this eye look kind of goes with any lipstick. It doesn't matter what color. It's so neutral and just normal that it goes with any color. But I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Air Volume mascara, and then we will add some lip color. Mascara is on. I'm going to apply my lip color now, which is the ColourPop, not Wet n Wild, ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in Vitamin C. This has been my go-to lip stick this July. Probably will continue to be like my go-to lip color in August as well. And that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little summer get ready with me. This is how I've been doing my makeup recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what your go-to summer makeup look has been these days, if you like super glowy looks or if you prefer looking more matte and polished in the summer. Let me know. Thank you guys as always for watching. Thank you for sticking around even though I haven't really been posting as much lately. I'm gonna get back on that. I promise eventually I will be back on I try to usually post 2 videos a week, but lately it's been like 1 video a week, if at all, which is so bad, but I'm trying my best to do better at that. But thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Is that what I normally say? Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.